Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Addressing Bias and Fairness in AI Systems. Addressing bias and ensuring fairness in AI systems is paramount in the realm of business development with generative AI. AI systems, by their nature, are susceptible to biases that can arise at various stages, from data collection to algorithm design and deployment. These biases not only perpetuate existing societal inequalities, but also lead to suboptimal decision-making and financial repercussions. Therefore, understanding how to identify, mitigate, and monitor bias in AI systems is crucial for professionals looking to harness AI's potential responsibly and ethically. One actionable strategy for addressing bias in AI systems is to begin with a thorough examination of the data used to train these models. Data is the backbone of AI, and if it is biased, the AI will likely reflect and even amplify these biases. A practical tool for this is the IBM Fairness 360 toolkit, which provides a suite of fairness metrics and bias mitigation algorithms. By using this toolkit, professionals can assess bias in their datasets through quantitative measures and apply algorithms to reduce bias. For instance, reweighting techniques can adjust the importance of different data instances to ensure balanced representation, thus reducing the bias in model outputs. When designing AI algorithms, ensuring fairness involves selecting appropriate models and fairness constraints. Algorithms should be chosen based on their ability to handle bias, which can often mean preferring interpretable models over more complex black box models. Interpretable models, such as decision trees or linear models, allow for easier identification of biased decision pathways, enabling developers to correct them effectively. The inclusion of fairness constraints in the model optimization process is also critical. These constraints force the model to achieve equitable outcomes across different demographic groups, acting as a safeguard against discriminatory outputs. Another essential aspect is the establishment of a diverse and inclusive AI development team. Diverse teams are more likely to recognize and address biases that may not be apparent to a homogeneous group. This diversity extends to involving stakeholders from various backgrounds in the AI development process, ensuring that the AI systems align with a broad spectrum of societal values and needs. A practical example of this approach can be seen in the case study of Microsoft's AI Ethics Committee, which includes individuals from various departments and cultural backgrounds to oversee AI projects and ensure they meet ethical standards. Post-deployment, continuous monitoring of AI systems is vital to ensure that they remain fair over time. This involves setting up feedback loops and regular audits to detect any emerging biases. The use of bias detection tools, such as Google's What If tool, allows businesses to simulate changes in input data and observe how these changes affect model predictions. These tools can highlight unintended biases that may develop as the system interacts with new data in real-world environments. The legal and regulatory landscape also plays a significant role in guiding businesses towards fair AI practices. Laws such as the European Union's General Data Protection Regulation emphasize transparency and accountability in AI systems, requiring companies to explain AI-driven decisions to users. Compliance with such regulations not only helps mitigate bias, but also builds trust with consumers and stakeholders. For a more comprehensive approach, businesses can adopt frameworks like the AI Fairness 360 open-source toolkit, which offers end-to-end capabilities for measuring, understanding, and mitigating bias. This framework provides a structured methodology for evaluating AI systems at all stages, from data pre-processing to output analysis, ensuring a consistent focus on fairness. To illustrate the impact of these strategies, consider the case of a financial institution that implemented a bias mitigation framework in its loan approval process. Initially, their AI model was biased against certain minority groups due to historical data reflecting past discriminatory lending practices. By employing bias detection tools and fairness constraints, the institution was able to adjust its decision-making process to ensure equitable access to credit for all applicants. This not only improved the institution's compliance with anti-discrimination laws, but also expanded its customer base by gaining the trust of previously underserved communities. Statistics further underscore the importance of addressing bias in AI systems. A study by the AI Now Institute found that biased AI systems, particularly in hiring and criminal justice, lead to significant societal harm, including increased discrimination and perpetuation of inequality. By implementing bias mitigation strategies, businesses can avoid these pitfalls, enhancing both their ethical standing and operational efficiency. Ultimately, addressing bias and fairness in AI systems is not a one-time task, but an ongoing commitment. It requires continuous attention, adaptation, and collaboration across various domains and stakeholders. By leveraging practical tools, frameworks, and regulatory guidelines, professionals can create AI systems that not only drive business growth, but also contribute positively to society. These efforts ensure that generative AI is used responsibly, fostering innovation while safeguarding against the risks of unfair and biased outcomes. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UXL, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.